Hey everyone, Jillian Graham again with another tutorial. This one's just going to be a quick one on how to copy from one Google Slide deck to another. And this is mostly for our group members, the Bitmoji Craze for Educators, because this is a frequently asked question. So a lot of times people will open a file that has been shared in our group and they'll copy and paste from it, and they get these gray boxes with black triangles with exclamation points, which mean that the image could not be uploaded or the image could not load. So I'm going to show you how to get around that and why that is happening. So the reason why this is happening is because you are copying from one Google account into a different account. So for instance, I'm just use this as an example. This is an activity that Jen Peterson, one of the other moderators for our group, shared in our group, and I just opened it up. You can see that it is open in this is my personal Google account. So I am just going to copy this slide. Notice it's still view only. I have not made a copy of the full presentation. I just want to take just this one slide. That's all I want to copy of. And I am going to paste it into a new slides. Now, I manage my Chrome profiles. So notice how when I opened a new slide, it opened in my personal account. This entire Chrome profile is actually my personal account. You can see down here, this Chrome browser is just my personal account. So if I paste into the personal account, I'm not going to link it to hers, but there you go, no problems. Now, if I go and paste this into my work account, I get issues. Nothing, most of it doesn't even load. It doesn't bring the background with it. It looks just like that. If I just copy just some certain items and paste those on, that's where you end up getting those gray boxes with the error messages. Okay? So always pay attention to the account that's in this corner right here. You want to copy and paste copy from the account in which you are pasting to. I don't teach English, okay. So if you copy with that account, then paste into that account and you will not have any problems. Now, if you are in Facebook and you're opening it if it just automatically keeps defaulting to the wrong account, then make sure you switch accounts to open the file under the account that you want to copy and paste it into. That way you won't have any issues when you're pasting. So just pay attention right here and make sure that profile stays the same when you're copying and when you're pasting.